The Tenerife Airport Disaster, a tragic tale of miscommunication. It was March 27, 1977, a day that would go down in aviation history as one of the deadliest accidents ever. Two Boeing 747 jumbo jets, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan American Flight 1736, were diverted to Tenerife's Los Rodeos airport due to a terrorist threat at their intended destination, Gran Canaria Airport. As the planes landed, the airport was shrouded in dense fog, reducing visibility to near zero. The air traffic controllers were struggling to manage the influx of diverted flights, and the tension was palpable. On board KLM Flight 4805, Captain Jacob Van Zanten was growing impatient. He had been flying for hours, and the delay was eating into his scheduled departure time. Without clearance, he began to prepare for takeoff, his crew hurriedly completing the pre-flight checks. Meanwhile, Pan American Flight 1736 was taxiing down the runway, trying to find a way to exit the fog-shrouded runway. The crew was instructed to take the third taxiway, but in the dense fog, they missed it and continued down the runway. As KLM Flight 47805 began its takeoff roll, Pan American Flight 1736 was still on the runway, unaware of the impending disaster. The KLM crew, too, was oblivious to the danger ahead, their eyes fixed on the instruments as they pushed the throttle forward. The two giants of the sky collided in a fiery explosion, the impact sending debris flying in all directions. The KLM flight was ripped apart, its passengers and crew killed instantly. The Pan American flight suffered catastrophic damage, but some passengers and crew managed to escape the inferno. The accident claimed the lives of 583 people, making it one of the deadliest in aviation history. The investigation that followed revealed a tragic tale of miscommunication, procedural errors, and language barriers. The Tenerife Airport disaster would go on to change the face of aviation safety, highlighting the importance of clear communication, strict adherence to procedures, and effective decision-making. It would serve as a cautionary tale for pilots, air traffic controllers, and aviation professionals around the world, a reminder of the devastating consequences of mistakes made in the skies. The memory of that fateful day would live on, a stark reminder of the importance of safety in the skies and the need for vigilance and attention to detail in the face of uncertainty.